Hello, amazing morning mentors!
Nakuha nyo na ba ang mga orders nyo?
O na-process nyo na ba ang mga pay-ins nyo? Kung traffic o malayo man, huwag mag-alala dahil pinalapit na sa atin ng IAM Worldwide ang ating mga products and services sa pamamagitan ng IAM Business Center or IBC. Right now, we have 4 branches and 23 IBCs, not just only in the Philippines, but also worldwide. Saan nga ba matatagpuan ang mga IBCs na ito? Let's dive right into the urban of Metro Manila. Aside from our head office in Unit 3 China Bank Building number 14, Ortigas Avenue, San Juan City, and the newly established office on 3rd floor, Unit 8 to F, City Center Building, number 338 Ortigas Avenue, Green Hills, San Juan City, we have one IBC in the metro, ang IBC Las Piñas, operated by Mentor Shane and Kinex De Leon. Kaway-kaway mga North people, narito ang mga IBC sa Northern Luzon. Let's start off with IBC Baguio City, operated by Mentors Juliet and Victor Jr. Kidkid. IBC Bawang La Union, operated by Mentor Aliyah de la Cruz. IBC Santiago Isabela, operated by Mentors Mary Jeanette and Jerome Zapanta. IBC San Jose del Monte Bulacan, operated by Mentors Marlon and Michelle Santos. IBC Tuguegarao City, operated by Mentor Merly Baza. Kung mayroon sa North, syempre, mayroon din tayo sa South Luzon. IBC Dasmariñas City, operated by Mentors Flor and Bong Abubo. IBC Lipa Batangas, operated by Mentors Fritz Gerald and Cory Silva. IBC Naga Bicol, operated by Mentor Ben Harriet Vargas. Now, let's fly to Visayas. Let's begin with our branch in Mandaue City, Cebu. Maayong buntag mga mentors. IBC Bacolod City, operated by Mentor Elizabeth Rose Law. IBC Dumaguete City, operated by Mentor Pedrita Q. Ligo. Next up, let's now head down south to Mindanao. First off, with our branch in Poblacion, Davao City. IBC General Santos City, operated by Mentor Annie Miles Amadeo. At dahil tayo ay worldwide, let's go overseas. Konnichiwa, IBC Tokyo, Japan, operated by Mentor Sheila Kimura and Irene Sharon Eder. Para sa ating mga mentors sa Middle East, nandito ang ating tatlong IBCs. IBC Doha, Qatar, operated by Mentor Eileen Abejero. IBC Dubai, United Arab Emirates, operated by Mentor Paquito Jr. Mechabes Laksao. IBC Kuwait City, operated by Mentor Leonida Reyes Castro. At para sa mga mentors natin sa North America, IBC New York, USA, operated by Mentor Eileen Fernando. Huwag kalimutan, meron rin tayo sa Europa. Ciao! IBC Rome, Italy, operated by Mentor Jasmine R. Cassini. And that's just the beginning. Get ready for more as our community reaches to greater heights. IAM Worldwide is absolutely thrilled to unveil our soon-to-open IBCs. Get ready to embark on this new and exciting journey with us. Let's start off with IBC Angeles, Pampanga, operated by Mentors Rafael and Maricar Suma. IBC Bayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya, operated by Mentor and Car Marquez. IBC Haro, Iloilo, operated by Mentor Quizelle de la Calzada. IBC Urdaneta, Pangasinan, operated by Jerica Ginyang. IBC Zamboanga City, operated by Mentor Jessica W. Reyes. There you have it, mentors, our 4 branches and 23 IAM business centers. Together, we are building something extraordinary, not just a mere community, but a family. There will be more IBCs await in the future. Mas pinalapit, mas pinalawak, at mas pinadami As we expand worldwide, imagine the impact we can make and the lives we can transform. A truly worldwide business opportunity. Kita Kits! I am Mentor Barley, an agent of hope, and I am worldwide.